Yeah. You can wave it. Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hi everyone. Petals List here. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Over here, you guys, we got a whole bunch of snow. OMG. One heap of snow we got over here in Canada, and I know parts of America has snow too, so you know we're all having this blast of snow together. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing all good in it and no accidents with your cars or anything like that. I pray none of that has happened to you guys. Anyways, I'm coming on today with another DIY to share with you guys. And the items that I'm using are from the Dollar Tree. And some of them over here, you can get them in Dollarama. And over in America, you can get it in Hobby Lobby. Yeah. And of course, some things are from Amazon. But you know, I will have everything in the description box for you guys to show you where we got everything. And like I always say, go to these dollar stores, look at things and pick up things that are very cheap, put them together and make something elegant for your home. Yeah, because you know we're all diva on a budget. Yes, yes. Like I say, we like nice things at a fraction of the cost. Yeah, well, I know I do. Yeah. All right, you guys, with saying all that, let's see what I got and put together for something elegant for you guys to try for your home too. Some lovely home decor at a fraction of the price. All right, you guys, let's get into today's DIY. All right, everyone, here are the items that we'll be using for DIY number 1. And as you know, everything will be listed down below in the description box to see what they are, although for this DIY, it's not very much. All right, everyone, let's get started. Okay, we have our vase here, which I have already taped off with the painter's tape, the sections that I want. I'll be using these glitter here, and I have 3 sizes, you guys, the medium, small, and large glitter. We'll be mixing them together with the Mod Podge. So we're just going to pour a little bit of each into the container and mix it up with the Mod Podge. Or just be adding our mixture onto our vase, going all the way around. And when we get the mixture on all the spaces around the vase, it will take about an hour and a half to dry fully. So we'll just wait and then I'll come back. And here we go. Our mixture is all dry and I removed the painter's tape. Just be careful when you're removing the painter's tape. And now we're going to be using this bling here that you can get on Amazon. And we're just going to put it into our open spaces that had the painter's tape. And here's our look for DIY number 1, our blinged out vase. Ooh. I think it looks very nice with the glitter going all the way around. And our little blinged out flower wrap going down the sides. And here's our vase with some flowers inside. I think it looks very nice. And now it's time for our second DIY, and these are the items that we'll be using. And like I said, like I always say, everything will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to see what they are and where I got them from. Alright everyone, I have this foam board here, which I had 2 pieces left over, so I just taped them together. You know, use up what you have. And I added some of the bling wrap going all around the edge of our foam board. And now we're going to place our mirrors down. Just line them up neatly along the board. And now we're just going to use some hot glue and glue them down. Okay everyone, I just wanted to show you that I put some popsicle sticks on the back because I joined the boards together. They were folding when I lift up the tray, so just added some reinforcement along the back. And now we're going to add our gems to our design. And here's our finished look. And our gems, I think it's a lovely tray with our gems going all around. Give it that nice added touch. It's a lovely display tray and you can place any kind of items that you would like on it. And now I'm going to share with you all how I display these two DIYs that we just did. And here's the first display with our two DIYs on the coffee table. I think they look very nice together. Alright everyone, here is another way to display our two items together on the coffee table. I think they look very nice. Okay everyone, there's Gucci. He will not come out of the video. I tried to move him but he won't. Remember I told you that every time I'm filming, he's always there beside me. As soon as I turn on the camera, Gucci is there. Like I said, I tried to get him to move but he would not move, so there he is. Anyways, like I was saying, this is another way to display the two items together on the coffee table. The end table, you could put them on, you could place it on your dining table. It's a lovely display tray that you can place anywhere throughout your home. And here's another way to display it, using a tall vase on top of this blinged out tray. It's another lovely decor idea. I think it looks very nice. It looks lovely with the tall vase on top of it. Alright everyone, I hope you liked these two easy DIYs that we did today. The lovely display tray and a nice blinged out vase that you can put any kind of flowers that you like in. And remember, you can place this decor anywhere throughout your home, even in your bedroom. It's a lovely tray and a lovely vase of flowers. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of the two DIYs that we did today. Leave me a comment down below. Press that thumbs up, give me a like. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see the DIYs that I love to share with you all. And remember, as always, stay blessed. From Petal is Blessed. Bye bye everyone.